Hi, I'm Tim Shatney. In this final video in the first part of this course, I want to show you how to use a presentation mode to make Max4Live devices beautiful and clean. So to create a presentation mode, we just need to go to edit mode in our Max4Live device and then pick all controls which we want to have there and right click and add to presentation. So now we could right click on the empty space of our patch, open the inspector window of the whole patch, and then go down and then tick this box open in presentation. That's an essential thing to do. Many forget it. Anyway, when we did it, now we can actually go to this presentation mode and we see that everything disappears except of those things which we selected. So now let's make things more beautiful. For example, these two controls, let's make a text of them white. So in inspector, I just make text color white. And then I want to name one of those time R, because this is for the right channel, and the other one would be time L for the left channel. Now I can all of them place here, and then maybe frequency control place somewhere here, and then in the end I would like to have this drive control as a large knob, so the biggest one. And then I want to create a panel object and put it in the background, so I can make it send to back, right click send to back, and then place it like this. And then I want to make this interior color something maybe like LCD line, or even maybe fixed color. Here I could pick the live colors. That's quite good. And then I want to set a width of my device. I go to view, set device width, and then I just need to open fully this window to drag this border. And now when I save it, you could see that our Max4Live device starts to look exactly like that, as we did in our presentation mode. Maybe I want to move actually these controls a little bit down. Maybe a little more. So you could just debug it like this in a way. If debug is the correct word in this situation. And then just place it fully in the way you want to have. You also maybe want to change this frequency dial so that it's a panel display style. I don't want it actually, but I want to show that there's a possibility. There's also a possibility to have a tiny control. Maybe you want to have this frequency control somewhere here like that, and you want to have less space which is used by your device, then you could use it like that. Which is a good thing to save space, since we have this window down and it's not so big. And we have this device right now, which is in presentation mode, a little bit more beautiful, no more patch cords on the background, which take our attention from the main controls, and you can improve it as much as you want, even create your own GUIs. This is a special thing, which you of course would also need to learn how to do, but anyway, there are many possibilities of how you can improve the look and feel of your Max4Live device. And it still works. But now we just have this control, more clean visually and more pleasant. So that was it. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful for you. Bye bye.